learn from the people who actually have achieved success, because they know what they're talking about, because they earned it. There's a lot of noise out there. You just need to focus on learning, listening to podcasts in your free time, read articles, and learn and pick up things that actually are practical, actionable things you can use to improve. And focus on trying to write a good post. It doesn't have to be perfect, but actually put in effort. Don't half-ass it. That seems to be a very common problem. People don't really try that hard. And, just keep learning. Don't give up. If you have a bad day, it's inevitable. I'll learn stuff that's going to happen. It's just human nature. Don't give up. If you need to take a break a couple hours or till the next day, that's cool. And take notes. Keep track of your stuff, and try to think outside the box for keywords. I take notes everywhere I go, either with my cell phone camera, or you can write it down. Restaurant, stores, I see stuff all the time. It might work out. Some of it has. It's led to keywords I never thought of before. Some of it won't work. That's cool. You never know what you run across. You start thinking like in terms of opportunity. That's really helped me a lot too. I think that's the entrepreneurial mindset.
Awesome.